Cyril Ramaphosa has withdrawn a statement akati iye, I would like to issue an apology to the people of Zimbabwe for our premature congratulation message. For now, we stand with SADC preliminary report and Dr. Mumba. Kurukunzi izweni, SADC is expected to send a panel of elders led by former President of Tanzania, H.E. Jakaya. They arrive tomorrow kuti vazotaura nyaya yema-elections, but it is likely going to be very difficult for them to check the results since the website YEZEC has been taken down. Saka, whatever Team Mandla or Team Pachelu is going to bring to the table is going to be difficult to use because hapana chato chekukompare nacho. Mkuru wefazi arikuti iye, they did nothing wrong by setting their tables 300 meters away.
Surprised to see them highlighting that we as Forever Associated Zimbabwe intimidated voters. They are talking about our desks. You know, let me...
The exit desks.
Yes, the exit desks. Let me be very clear about those desks. Those desks, that's not a new thing to happen in any election. Globally, it's a trend. It's a phenomenon that is actually happening globally. If you go, for example, in this region, Southern African region, go to South Africa right now, you'll find a NCA putting their desk and their yellow with strike. What those desks does is they assist us in terms of the pre-assessment of the result. We would then know what is the likelihood of the result that is coming. Of course, there's a margin of error.
But does it make it legal kana ushitwa nemamwe states, taking into consideration that SADC has got less democratic countries? Team Pachelu was arrested for trying to get results vachifeeder into their Team Mandla system, but Faz was allowed to be actually closer to the ground. We will just wait and see what is going to come out of this whole thing.